Laminate flooring in Denver offers a wide selection of styles mimicking real wood, stone, or tile, with a tough top layer that resists scratches. This durable material is low maintenance and sustainable, made from recycled materials. It's a budget-friendly option that mimics the look of real wood or stone. Laminate flooring is durable, handling heavy foot traffic and wear, with easy maintenance like sweeping and occasional mopping. Installation is simple, with planks locking together seamlessly. Laminate flooring is durable, handling heavy foot traffic and wear, with easy maintenance like sweeping and occasional mopping. Installation is simple, with planks locking together seamlessly. It saves time and money compared to traditional hardwood. In Denver, laminate flooring is a durable and stylish choice for high-traffic areas, handling temperature and humidity changes well. It's an affordable alternative to real hardwood or stone, complementing the city's diverse architectural designs. Expert installation services are available, with in-studio, in-home, and virtual appointments offered. For more information, contact the Denver-based company at 720-586-4391.